Welcome back to Mirror and Thread. So today I want to talk to you about one of my all-time favorite purchases, and it always comes around this time of year for me because I actually purchased this with Christmas money 3 years ago now, and that is my Caraway Cookware set. I am so obsessed with this, so I wanted to give you guys a full review of the set and kind of show you what the nonstick looks like after 3 years of use, how I clean them, all of that good stuff. So they are doing a major sale right now, and I will put the link in the video description so that you can snag. They have cookware, bakeware, all the things are a part of the sale. So I will put that link in the description and we'll get started. This stuff, there's never gonna be a year that I do not talk about this, partially because they are doing their once a year savings event right now where you can save up to 20% off. So in the link, if you click in the link in the description, that will automatically apply that 20% off up to 20% off. It's a buy more, spend more kind of sale. But you guys, I swear this stuff literally changed my life. I used to hate cooking. I was not a huge fan of it. And then I got my Caraway stuff and it just absolutely changed the game. So the big game changer for me is that this is wonderfully nonstick. It is super, super, super high quality stuff. We've had ours for 3.5 years now. It still looks amazing. The nonstick still works like a charm and this stuff just lasts forever. So it's kind of hard to tell until you see me actually cooking something in this, but we recently stayed at an Airbnb and obviously I didn't bring my cookware with me in the suitcase, although I might consider doing that now. And I was cooking with just normal pots and pans that I used to cook with. And I forgot how much I even love these things. It is such a game changer. The cleanup process took so much longer. The cooking, it didn't come out even. Everything was sticking. We were trying to do egg muffins and everything was sticking and it was just such a mess. So love the nonstick on these. I have the black with the gold handle. They have so many beautiful colors in these. And then I also have the half bakeware set as well. So this is one of the baking sheets. I got the cream color in this one. This gets used literally daily in our house and it still looks so good. You can see still looks super, super nice. And I also love if you're doing a hosting, any holiday hosting coming up, these are so beautiful. They come with a beautiful trivet as well, or hot pad. So they're really great just to actually serve in the dish that you cooked it in, which is really nice because most of the time I'm transferring to a different dish because I feel like the cookware just itself doesn't look very pretty, but these are gorgeous for hosting. If you're bringing Thanksgiving side dishes, any kind of thing at your house, these are wonderful for that as well. They also come with their own storage set if you buy the set, and it comes where you can put them in a cabinet really easily. I have our bakeware in a cabinet. I actually prefer our cookware in a drawer just because that's what works with the functionality of our kitchen, but they do have a beautiful place that you can store them in a cabinet as well. So just so many good things, you guys. They really and truly are worth the price, and I am definitely putting the prepware on my list this year. It's storage containers that are clean and non-toxic and non-stick as well. And then I also have my eye on the squareware, which is square pans for griddles, or if you're doing pancakes, something like that. I have my eye on those this year too. I'm also in love with the muffin tin. I actually had this one, and then I had just a classic, more cheap version of a muffin pan that I used to make some things for Owen's first birthday party. I was doing an egg muffin situation and I was quadrupling the recipe, and so I had them in both of them. You guys, I was so upset with the other muffin tin that I literally didn't even clean it. I think I just threw it away. I was like, this thing is dead to me. I hate how it got so stinking stuck to the bottom of the pan. This one did amazingly, and I literally didn't even need to use any nonstick cooking spray with this one. The other one, I was spraying the heck out of that nonstick cooking spray, and there was just egg everywhere. These came out beautifully and they just lifted right out. I love these for holiday baking. It's just so much better and so much easier to use, and I am all for saving time with the cleanup, and these do that for me. So my really true honest review of the cookware and the bakeware from Caraway is that yes, they are absolutely worth the money, and this is something that I talk about every single year. I've had them for years, and I'm usually much more of a budget shopper, but there are some things that it really is worth spending up for. And cookware and bakeware, these are things that you use absolutely every day in your life, and they're just so good. They will last you forever, and I think you will be really pleased with the quality. So if you've had them on your wish list, now is definitely the time to snag them. They only do this savings event once a year, and the link is in the video description so you can catch that sale up to 20% off, and make sure you check out some of their new products as well.